बरिया साजायदों आरो कालचारेल स्टेज बेवहाय बिदिनो जिरायग्रा सुग्रेमबो होननाय
Before our inaugural sessions of the fourth Little Red Festival,
gedung Rabi. Box saksa gago pa. Una. English na.
Tidak boleh.
Kena tu sini tanah yang ni. Kita buria dia.
ज्ञान और शांति का प्रतीक है। आइए इस प्रकाश के माध्यम से हम शांति और सद्भावना के संदेश को पूरे समाज में फैलाने का संकल्प लें। इस दीप से जो उजाला फैल रहा है वह हमारे जीवन में शांति और सौहार्द लाए, यही हमारी शुभकामना है। धन्यवाद। We would also request all the esteemed dignitaries present on the dais to pay floral tributes to Bodo Upendranath Brahmo, the father of the Bodos and a true visionary of peace and unity. His legacy continues to guide the people of this region.
많이 시대 해주는 것이다. 근데 이제는 그거가 무시라.
Thank you, sir. Shri Pramod, Honorable Chief of PTR. I would request the organizing team to please come forward with the alumni and the welcome kits.
이제 다시 살아가고.
잘 나오네.
Thank you, sir. Next we have Chief Guest, Mr. Sharini Longkumar, Speaker, Nagaland Legislative Assembly. May I request the team to please come forward with the welcome kits. A big round of applause for Mr. Sharini Longkumar, Speaker, Nagaland Legislative Assembly. আমি সম্বর্ধনা জানাব বিচাৰিছো আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত মুখ্য অতিথি মিস্টাৰ শাৰিনী লংকুমাৰ, স্পিকাৰ, নাগালেণ্ড লেজিসলেটিভ এছেম্বলি। আৰু সম্বৰ্ধনা জনাইছে আমাৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য পিটিআৰ শ্ৰী প্ৰমোদ বড়ো ডাঙৰীয়া। এটি আৰণাই, এটি শল আৰু মেমেণ্টো। Sherja is the traditional Bodo musical instrument which resonates with the essence of our culture. Thank you. We will now felicitate Professor Anil Boro, Department of Folklore, Guwahati University. Professor Anil Boro. Ladies and gentlemen, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Professor Anil Boro for being selected for the Padma Shri Award to be conferred shortly by the Government of India. His immense contribution to literature and linguistic studies have brought pride to this region and beyond. Sir, we are truly honored to have you with us today. Thank you. We have, thank you. Next we have among us Professor Kumud Sharma, Vice President Sahitya Academy. I would also request our organizing team to please come forward with the welcome kits.
그래 배워.
Thank you. Next, we have Mr. Minal Talukar, Distinguished Fellow of Guwahati University and eminent journalist. We would also like to felicitate Mr. Minal Talukar. Thank you. We have among us on the dais Mr. Tinongkamshi Rinsong, Advisor to Honorable Speaker. We would also like to felicitate Sir with an Arunai. Thank you. We have among us Emily Thongsuk Longkumar, PA to Honorable Speaker. We would also like to welcome Sir with an Arunai. We have guest of honor Mr. Dipen Moro, President APSU. We would also like to welcome Sir with an Arunai. We have also among us Mr. Damodar Mausa, Janbi Awardee. We would also like to felicitate Sir with an Arunai. Thank you. We have among us Professor Surat Narsari, President Bodo Sahitya Sabha. We would also like to felicitate Sir. We have among us Professor B.L. Ahuja, Vice Chancellor, Bodoland University. We would also like to felicitate Sir with an Arunai and a welcome kiss. Thank you. We have among us Mr. Thorin Horo. We would also like to welcome Sir with an Arunai and the welcome kids. We have among us Dr. Nilud Sargyari. We would also like to welcome Dr. Nilud Sargyari, Honorable EM BTR. Thank you. Amar major উপস্থিত আছে Sri Shabdaram Rama, Honorable Advisor to Chief BTR. আমি দেখেন তো সম্বর্ধনা জানাব বিচাৰিছো এটি গুলাম আরনায়ে We have among us Dr. Subhu Basmatari. We would also like to welcome Sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead with a theme song on 4th Lit Fest 2025. I would like to request Ms. Lakshmi Brahma and her team to please come up on the stage and perform the theme song for us today. Thank you. Lakshmi Brahma are bini bithang logo bithangonko khawlainani gidan fainani theme song
We are also proud to offer a platform where voices can be heard and ideas can be shared. The theme for the fourth edition of Kokrajar Literary Festival is Bridging People Studies Schedule. The people of Bodoland region are very glad and very happy to receive you here. And today we have our senior-most socio-political leader of Bodoland, President Cabinet Minister of Assam, and also he is also one of the Sahitya Academy awardee, Mr. Yuji Brahmaji.
From authors of different languages brought out on the occasion of the 4th Kokrajar Literary Festival 2025 with the motto of bridging people, culture and literature with a message of peace held from 1st, 2nd and 3rd Feb 2025 at Bodofa Cultural Complex, Kokrajar, under the aegis of Government of BTR and published by Bodoland Territorial Council Assam. A huge round of applause, please. Thank you. Makasih bisa dong sampai ke naik thakai. Livelihoods of the Bodos of Nepal and the short story by Jayashree Boro, Khosechini Sipian, Mahapuruk Himanto Hongordev by Dr. Govinda Boro and Dr. Nirmali Das. Unveiling of the books, Livelihoods of the Bodos of Nepal and the Bodos of BTR by National Institute of Bodology. এবাৰ হাত চাপৰি দিব সকলোৱে আমি কিতাপ উন্মোচন কৰিছো ই আপোনালোকে দেখিবলৈ পাইছে আমাৰ মুখ্য অতিথি লগতে বিশিষ্ট অতিথিগণ তেওঁলোকে উন্মোচন কৰিছে। Lirthumlai Volume 2 Hababharini Vida Docket Livelihoods of the Bodos of Nepal and the Bodos of BTR by National Institute of Bodology. Rhythm Khangnai Phaili Short Story by Jayashree Boro. Khositini Sibian Mahapurukh Himandra Hankodev by Dr. Govinda Boro and Dr. Nirmali Das. एक बार जोर से तालियां बजाएंगे और अभिनंदन करेंगे। Lirthumlai Volume 2, an anthology of poems summary from authors of different languages brought out on the occasion of 4th Kokrajhar Literary Festival 2025 with the motto of bridging people, culture and literature with a message of peace. Thank you so much.
Library Bijab Kola Book Self बर' थुनलाइ आफाद बुक जोबोरनानै फिसा फिसा दं जानाय मानसि दं लासिगासिनो बेनि गेजेराव थांसिगोन आरोना